In this guide, I'll show you how to fix verification code not received on your Android phone. Begin by opening the Settings app on your phone. Tap on Apps and Notifications and then select See All Apps. Scroll and find the Messages app or use the search bar to find it quickly. Tap on the Messages app and then select Storage and Cache and tap Clear Cache. You can also tap Clear Storage if clearing the cache alone doesn't fix the issue. Also, you can go to this page by long pressing the Messages app. Also, you can update or reinstall the Messages app. Open the Play Store and search for the Messages app. Tap Update if available. If not, tap Uninstall, then install again. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.